Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, check your credit card app, and suddenly your credit score is 40 points higher. Your interest charges are lower, and your rewards are stacking faster than ever. Sounds impossible? Banks want you to think it's impossible. Because the truth is, once you know certain credit card hacks, the system starts working for you, not against you. Welcome to 10 Credit Card Hacks Banks Don't Want You to Know 2025 edition. These strategies are legal, ethical, and extremely effective, but banks never advertise them because they reduce their profits. Let's break them down one by one, starting with the hacks that can boost your score this month. Hack 1. The 15/3 payment method that raises scores fast. Most cardholders pay once a month. Banks love that, because it makes your reported balance look higher than it really is. But the credit bureaus don't check your balance daily. They check it right before the statement closes. So here's what you do. Pay 50 to 70% of your balance 3 days before the statement closes. Pay the remaining amount 15 days before your due date. Why it works? It lowers your reported utilization, it prevents high balances from appearing on your credit file, it reduces interest, and it increases your score consistently. People using this hack see 15 to 60 point increases in 30 days. Banks will never tell you this because they make billions on interest from people who wait until the due date. Hack 2. Ask for a credit limit increase every 90 days. This is one of the easiest hacks that instantly improves your score. Higher limit equals lower utilization equals higher score. But here's the trick. Most banks allow a credit limit increase request every 90 days, and many don't require a hard pull. You simply open the app, request a limit increase. Reason, I want a higher spending limit for upcoming purchases. Don't say you're having financial hardship. Don't over-explain. Why banks hate this? Higher limits means they make less interest, it's harder to trap you in debt, and you become a low-risk borrower. People who request limit increases consistently have the highest credit scores nationwide. Hack 3. Never close your old cards. Banks don't tell you this. Closing a credit card is one of the biggest score killers. Banks want you to close old cards so they can reduce their liability, charge you again for newer cards, and lower your credit age, which hurts your score. Your credit age is 15% of your total score. Never close your oldest card, even if you don't use it. If it has an annual fee, downgrade it to a no-fee version. This keeps your credit age alive forever. Hack 4. Use the balance reporting control to hack your utilization. Most people don't know that banks report your balance on a specific day, usually 3 to 5 days before the statement date. If you keep your utilization below 8% on that day, your credit score shoots up. Example, your limit is $5,000, 8% equals $400. As long as your balance is below $400 on reporting day, you look like a perfect borrower. Banks don't want you to know this because most of their profit comes from people who carry balances. Utilization manipulation helps you avoid interest, and you become eligible for their low APR offers. This single hack changes people's entire credit profile. Hack 5. Use multiple cards to spread your utilization. The pro strategy. If you have one card with a $5,000 limit and you use $1,000, your utilization is 20%. But if you have 3 cards with a combined limit of $10,000 and you spread the same $1,000 across them, your utilization becomes 10%. The bank still gets paid, but the credit system sees you as responsible and boosts your score. Banks hate this hack. It makes it harder to justify high interest rates. Hack 6. Turn your credit card into an expense machine with autopay. Autopay is a simple tool, but here's why it matters. People who use autopay miss fewer payments. Banks make billions from late fees and penalty APRs. When you enable autopay for either minimum payments or full statement balance, you completely eliminate accidental late payments. Even one late payment can tank your score by 100 points. This hack protects your score aggressively. Hack 7. Use the return trick to boost your score mid-month. This is a real hack that works shockingly well. When you return something you purchased on your card, your statement balance drops, your utilization drops, and your reported balance becomes lower. Banks absolutely hate this because it lowers your utilization right before reporting. Useful situations. You want a quick score increase before applying for a loan. You made a large purchase but won't keep it. Or you need to bring utilization below 8% instantly. It's fully legitimate. Returns count as payments in your utilization calculations. Hack 8. Redirect all subscriptions to one card only. Here's why this works. Managing many small charges across multiple cards creates higher utilization on multiple accounts, more places to accidentally miss payments, more risk for the bank to charge late fees. But when you move all subscriptions to one dedicated card, you control your expenses better, you avoid surprise charges, and you easily keep utilization low on other cards. Your score naturally rises because your credit profile becomes cleaner and more predictable. Banks lose money because clean profiles pay less in fees. Hack 9. Use your card daily, but never carry a balance. There's a huge misconception that using your card too much is bad. Not true. Credit models like active cards, as long as utilization stays low. Daily use helps build a positive payment history, strengthen your relationship with banks, and qualify you for future premium cards. Banks don't advertise this because they want you to believe credit cards equal danger, so you end up paying them interest out of fear. The truth is, if you use your card daily but pay it off weekly, your score grows insanely fast. Hack 10. The secret product change hack banks avoid mentioning. This is one of the most powerful hacks. You can call your bank and say, "I'd like to do a product change to a no-fee version of this card." This allows you to keep your credit age, keep your limit, keep your positive history, remove annual fees, and avoid closing the account. Banks avoid telling you because annual fees are profit machines. But with a product change, you avoid paying extra forever. Bonus hack 1. Remove hard inquiries faster with this method. Your score can jump 5 to 15 points per inquiry removed. Here's the method. Call the bureau, say the inquiry was not authorized, and request a verification. If the lender doesn't respond within 30 days, the bureau removes it. Banks don't want you to know this because fewer inquiries equals stronger credit equals fewer declines. Bonus Act 2. Add a high-limit authorized user. This accelerates credit building massively. Find a trusted person with 3 years plus of history, low utilization, at least 10,000 limit, perfect payment history. They add you as an authorized user, your score may jump 20 to 60 points in weeks. Banks hate this because it bypasses their slow credit building system. Bonus hack 3. Use credit cards for rent with 0% fee services. New platforms in 2025 allow rent payments using credit cards with 0 fees or 1 to 2% minimal fees. This gives you massive rewards points, more monthly payment history, and stronger credit usage data. Banks hate it because people suddenly earn thousands of dollars in rewards for bills they were paying anyway. Now how to combine all 10 hacks for maximum power. Here's the exact sequence to get the fastest results. 1. Keep utilization under 8% all month. 2. Make payments twice a month, the 15/3 method. 3. Never close old cards. 4. Request credit limit increases every 90 days. 5. Spread spending across multiple cards. 6. Enable autopay, minimum or full balance. 7. Return unwanted items before statement close. 8. Use a dedicated card for subscriptions. 9. Use your card daily but never carry a balance. 10. Product change instead of closing cards. This combination creates the highest credit score growth possible. Banks make billions because people don't know these hacks, but now you do. If you found this valuable, make sure you check out my other videos, especially if you're trying to build a 700-plus score, get your first credit card, or fix bad credit fast. This is Finance Builder, helping you master credit, money, and financial freedom in 2025.